Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, market is slow. There is not much volatility and volume in the market right now. So, if you have any ongoing position on Euro USD, JP USD, or DVSD, okay, you can continue because we do not have a clear direction right now. And if you look at the economy calendar, we can see that today also we do not have any major events coming up. Yes, GBP pairs may show some volatility because of the inflation rate, but otherwise, there is no big event for the US dollar pairs. So we can expect this present market sentiment to continue. But be careful with GBP pairs. They may be volatile for some time. Okay, and if you look at the dollar here, then DXY, okay, after taking support around 105.20, we can see DXY is still trying to go up. But if we observe the structure of the market carefully, we can see the market is slowly forming lower highs. And market is also slowly forming lower lows, which is not a very positive sign for any uptrend market. So today or by tomorrow, we can expect the market to dip further. The next support on the chart of gold is on DXY is around 105. If the volume of the market remains like this, then obviously we can expect 105 to 104.90 to provide support to the market. But in case market um, shows a downside with a big red candle, then obviously we can expect the market to form another lower low. Okay, so let's wait and watch. But today, as we do not have any major events, so we can expect the present market sentiment to continue. And to continue the upside, obviously DXY needs to cross 106 level. But at this moment, chances of market breaking 106 are very less. So let's wait and watch. And my dear friends, world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is starting from day after tomorrow. I conduct a session in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. The workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. These are the benefits that you will be getting if you join the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. In 3 days, these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And in 1 month support, you will be a part of a WhatsApp group, okay, where you'll be receiving regular market updates like this. We also have a Telegram group for the interaction among the other members where you'll meet lots of traders. You can ask questions, share ideas. And in 1 month support, okay, there will be weekly sessions as well. These are the topics of the weekly sessions. So there will be total 7 classes. And these are the dates. Hindi classes starting from day after tomorrow, 21st, and English classes starting from 28th of June, 28, 29, and 30th of June. These are the timings here, and the sessions will be conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend due to time difference, no need to worry. I record each and every session. Okay. And the best part is the fees always. Okay, world's most affordable forex trading workshop. It should be affordable, isn't it? So for 3 days workshop with 1 month support, okay, it's only $15 or rupees 1000. Means in 1000 rupees, you will be getting 7 classes and regular market updates on the WhatsApp group. Trading is a journey. Trading takes time. Sometimes it is not possible to cover everything in 1 month. So yes, we have semi-annual and lifetime support as well. If you love my work, if you stay connected to me, stay in touch with me, you can definitely sign up for semi-annual or lifetime. In semi-annual, okay, you will be getting support for 6 months plus 2 personal sessions to clear your doubts and talk to me. In lifetime support, okay, you it's only $125 or rupees 8,000. Okay, you will be getting 6 personal sessions with me to learn, to ask questions, to clear doubts. So if you are in a journey, okay, if you're finding very difficult to understand the market, then semi-annual or lifetime support can be useful for you. These are the payment options, my dear friends. Okay, once you are done with the payment, simply share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. Okay, so This is a chart of Euro USD in front of us, and if you look at the market sentiment, okay, on theory, then dollar steady sterling dips ahead of inflation test. The dollar was nursing losses on Wednesday after soft US retail sales data reinforced bets of imminent Federal Reserve rate cuts, while sterling eased a touch ahead of a reading on UK inflation due later in the day. So this is the market sentiment right now, and this is our beloved Euro USD. Yesterday we got some nice pinpoint accuracy. Okay, usually it doesn't happen, but yesterday we were lucky that we got our pinpoint accuracy on Euro USD. Right now we can see that Euro USD, okay, though it is going up technically because market is forming higher highs and higher lows, but there is not much volume in the market. And if we compare this and this, the upside is seems to be a little weak in comparison to the downside. So let's go with the flow right now. And at this moment, there is not much volume in the market. Try to understand my point here. Okay, we do not have any major event coming up for Euro USD, and then we also do not have much volume in the market. So as a result, we can expect the levels to work again, because to break any level, volume is extremely important. If there is not much volume, we can expect the market to bounce. Similarly, yesterday also, okay, we saw similar scenario, okay, where there was not crazy volume, so our levels work perfectly. So today, if market goes up, listen to me carefully now. If market goes up, you can observe the market around 1.0760 again, our yesterday's sell. But if the volume will play a major role here. If you see there is not much volume in the market is going up slowly with small candles, yesterday's level will work again as a resistance and we can go for a sell. But in case by the US session market surprises us with big green candles like yesterday, then obviously it will not work and we need to look for a sell around 1.0782. So this is our second resistance and this is our first resistance. As first resistance has already worked yesterday, so we are not going to trust it. But yes, if volume is very low, then obviously market will face some selling pressure around this area and we can look for a sell. Similarly, if market goes down, then we had our support around 1.0713 yesterday. Okay, if you see the same volume, okay, you can see the size of the candles are so small on hourly chart. Okay, if market goes down with same volume, then obviously it will be working as support again, 1.0713, 1.0710. But if you see the market is standing at the support with a big red candle, do you think you should go for a buy position? Obviously no. Use your common sense. Okay, in that case your next support will be around 1.0700. Okay, 1.0700 and then 1.0687. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce of 10 to 15 pips if market drops. 10 to 15 pips in this market condition is decent enough, because you can clearly see that we do not have much volume or volatility in the market right now. Again, I'm repeating my reference. In comparison to the selling that we witnessed a couple of days ago, the buying right now which is going on, okay, is not very prominent. So we are looking for reversal trades only, as we do not have much volume also. And today we have a US holiday, so let's wait and watch. So if market reverses from our levels, we can definitely look for a position, and if you're holding any position, you can hold. So if market goes up with very low volume, we will be looking for sell around 1.0760, but if market breaks it, then we will be looking for 1.0782. If the volume would have been high, then obviously this level was invalid for us. On the other hand, if market drops with same volume, we will be looking for buy around 1.0710, but if it breaks it, we will be looking for buy around 1.0700 and 1.0687. These are the levels where we can look for buy for the day and sell around these two levels. And we have a news coming up right after 10 minutes, so I don't know what will happen. Okay, but still I'm recording this video. Okay, if you see, okay, GBP USD's volume remains the same and there is not much volatility in the market, then you can look for a sell around 1.27355 to 1.275. The level that we discussed yesterday is still very much valid. Okay, because yesterday our resistance worked perfectly. Our next resistance is around 1.273550. After the news, okay, that we are going to have after a few minutes, okay, may bring some volatility. If it doesn't bring volatility, then we can look for a reversal around this area. Similarly, if GBP USD drops, we can look for a buy around 1.2657 to 2650. This is our buy zone. But let's wait and watch, because when news of fundamentals dominate the market, technicals do not work. We know it very well, and but still, okay, fundamentals are not in our hand. We are left with technicals. So as a retail trader, it is very essential for us to know when to go with the technicals and when to go with the fundamentals for our own survival. Okay, so let's wait and watch how does the market react. But if market doesn't show volatility craziness, then yes, our levels should work. As we all know, no level is permanent in the market, so confirmation is very important. Do not place orders blindly. Okay, that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow.